CAT Editor Overview. The editor consists of multiple menus, panels, and widgets. We will learn about each feature individually, but let's begin by taking a tour of the overall editor. On the left-hand side, we have the sidebar. The icons found here let you navigate directly from the editor screen to different parts of the platform. At the top, on the left-hand side, we have the main editor menu. The main editor menu consists of 4 submenus. Here, we can import and export documents, complete QA checks, generate previews, and customize our user experience. At the top, we have the job bar. Here, we can switch between documents in a job and even change the job status. In the upper right-hand corner, you will find your profile and general settings. Under the main editor menu is the quick taskbar. Here, we find a variety of editing tools. Next to that is the Power Search bar. It offers powerful search and filter capabilities, as well as the ability to save your frequently used parameters. The Page Navigation bar allows you to easily switch between pages or jump to a specific segment. On the right-hand side, we have our widget space. Here we can have tools like a translation finder, a timeline, and properties. At the top of the working space, we have 2 management tools, a report generator on the left and a column manager on the right. These tools help you work more efficiently while also allowing you to track your progress. The most important and the largest portion of the editor is the editor workspace. This is where most of the work is done. Lastly, under the workspace, we have the Smart Tools. These tools have a lot to offer in terms of simplifying your work. We will look at each of these features in more depth in the units to come.